Hello guys, how are you? I'm EIP, your favorite YouTube analyst, and today I will share a very good indicator which is part of my group, and I will also share strategy of trading intraday. So basically, there are only two strategies in the world. One is trend following strategy, other is reversal strategy. So basically, I'm a trend follower. I'm not a reversal trader unless it is very good setup. But our strategy should be that even during the trend following, when the correction during the trend is occurring, we should be we should get out of the trend and then re-enter when the trend resumes during the intraday. So I have a daily algorithm which gives me an overall bigger direction, and keeping that in mind, I will try to trade intraday with my trend indicator. So do you see the middle indicator? It is called the holy grail. So when the price is above the middle line, so we are looking for buys only, and when the price is below the zero line, we are looking for sell. And this bigger red indicator is uh, the bias indicator, the bigger moving average. So of course we are not going to short like crazy when the price is above this red moving average. So let me show you how we could have gotten. I'm going to first discuss the trend following. After that, I'm going to discuss the trend, trend reversal. So on Tuesday, price broke above like this, right? And the holy grail was uh, above the zero line, and we had a bullish cross. And then what happened? We had an oversold on the EIP oscillator. Oversold, hidden bullish, everything bullish. We could have longed over here, and we could have longed until the price went inside this thing. So we could have gotten out. That doesn't mean we go short. We would have gotten out, and this was during the 4th of July. Price came back to the moving average. It was on the moving average, right? So we doesn't mean if the trend this thing is below the zero line, because it was making a hidden bullish. If you understand the divergences, then you would know that this is a hidden bullish thing. So I'm not here going to teach you technical analysis. So this was above the moving averages, hidden bullish. So, and this was also bullish divergence. So this was a long till over here, and we did exactly that in our group. And so let's keep thing very simple. We are going to use just the price and this below indicator. And then when the market opened on Friday, the price was above the moving average, price was above the cycle, everything bullish, we were long. So let's pick any random date. Okay, over here, price above the moving average, the EIP oscillator is oversold, we buy. Price broke above the cycle, and then it became oversold over here, we buy. So we could have also bought over here for the fourth wave. This is indication of the fourth wave. I'm not gonna teach you how I identify it, but it's the same setup which I discussed last time, that price was above the moving average, there was hidden bullish. So it was a long till here, and then there was a oversold condition again over here. So it was a long again till here. So let's do something else. Bitcoin. Let's do Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. Once up, this showed the reversal, and the price, it was showing the red color. So you could have shorted over here because of the red. Overbought, sold, and again over here overbought, sold. And whenever there is a overbought condition with the red, it is sell, overbought, sell, overbought, sell on the moving average, sell, overbought, sell. Over here you had to be a bit careful, but once the price started going below the moving average, the blue and the black, it was a sell. Overbought, sell is, do you see the continuation we are having? And then it was a sell until the price started going back above the moving average, and now it was the totally opposite of what was going on. The holy grail was bullish and the price was above the moving average, so you could have taken a buy. You could have taken a buy over here, and you could have taken a buy over here till this dark red, which is a bias for the downside. And now over here, just a few minutes ago, it was a sell. The price was below the moving average, below the black, and it was a overbought on this EIP oscillator. The holy grail was below the zero line. There was a red cross, so it was a sell, and again it was a sell over here right now. But now the price is a bit oversold, so you need to be careful. Maybe it will go back up again. So you need to be watchful over here if you sold right on the black line. So this is how you could have done it. And now let's discuss the reversal. So this was a trend following on this indicator. Now we will discuss the reversal. So we were looking for the bottom on July 1. This is Nasdaq. So right on 1st of July. So we had a bottoming this, like price went down, but it was, knife caught by this cycle indicator, and then it was a buy, and then there was a correction, it was a buy, and then the buy, you could have lost it till here, till the moving average came, and then you could have long over here, and you could have taken the profit. And on Friday, we had a breakout of this cycle, so it was a buy. So this is how you can do the cycle. So like you are having the, so this was a downside, but when it was being scooped up and the price started going above the moving average, you could have taken long till here. So the good thing about this oscillator is that when the trend is going, you could have got this. So you're not imagining any nonsense like elite wave guys are imagining this. So you're not doing these nonsense stuff. You're just trading with the trend in the intraday, and you would have gotten out over here. And over here, when this pumped, you knew this could be the cycle top, right? You knew so many bears shorted over here, but they were ultimately their happiness ultimately ended over here when this cycle was bottomed. So let me know what you guys think. What should happen? Let's pick any random symbol. My favorite, FNGU ETF. So we can see that the holy grail is above the zero line since ever. So there is no sell, but there are knife catch buys over here, over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Do you see? So let me know what you guys think.